In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in Freshdesk. Whether you're navigating through the web interface or using the mobile app, this guide will seamlessly help you through the process. This is an essential task for efficiently managing customer inquiries and providing prompt support, so let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Freshdesk account. Once you have access, head straight to the Tickets section. This is your hub for managing all incoming requests and ongoing customer interactions. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice a button labeled New Ticket. Clicking this is your first step in initiating the ticket creation process. Now you'll be greeted by the ticket form, where you'll enter all the necessary details for proper ticket creation. First up is the Requester field. Begin typing the customer's name or email address here. As you type, you'll see suggestions based on existing contacts within your system. If the individual isn't in your contact list yet, don't worry, you can easily create a new contact on the spot. Next, you'll want to populate the subject and description fields. The subject serves as a succinct summary of the issue or inquiry at hand. Make sure it captures the essence of the request in just a few words. The description is where details make their home. Here, you'll elaborate on the customer's request or issue, ensuring clarity and thoroughness. This added information aids in quicker resolutions and effective tracking of interactions. Depending on how your Freshdesk settings are configured, you might be prompted to fill out additional fields. These can include the type of request, the current status, priority level, the responsible group, and even the assignee, if the task is to be directed to a specific team member. Each of these fields provides an opportunity to streamline your workflow, ensuring that every ticket finds its way to the appropriate hands as swiftly as possible. Once you've inputted all the necessary information, it's time to bring your ticket to life. Look for the Create or Submit button, usually located at the bottom or top of the form window. Clicking this finalizes the ticket and officially logs it into your system, setting into motion the processes it will undergo as it moves through your support pipeline. And there you have it. You've successfully created a ticket using the Freshdesk web interface. This straightforward yet powerful tool is integral for maintaining top-notch customer service and efficiently resolving issues as they arise. With these steps under your belt, you're well equipped to tackle any incoming queries with confidence and precision. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our additional resources and video walkthrough for even more tips and tricks on mastering Freshdesk.